बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप वॉइस ऑफ कनाडा उर्दू देख रहे हैं। आज 23 मार्च 2021 है। यौम पाकिस्तान मनाया जा रहा है दुनिया भर में। मेरी तरफ से, मेरी टीम की तरफ से और हमारे चैनल की तरफ से तमाम पाकिस्तानियों को जहाँ जहाँ भी आबाद हैं दिल की गहराइयों से मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ। आज इस सिलसिले में एक जो अहम तकरीब थी वो पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन ऑटवा में मुनक्कद की गई, जहाँ पर फ्लैग होस्टिंग हुई और जनाब रजा बशीर तारड़ हाई कमिश्नर पाकिस्तान के, उन्होंने इसका किया, फ्लैग होस्टिंग की। और उसमें सिर्फ जो हाई कमीशन का स्टाफ था वो शरीक था, चूँकि कोरोना के बायस यहाँ पर खासे अभी तक लॉकडाउन वगैरह चल रहे हैं, तो इस वजह से लोगों को मदऊ नहीं किया गया। तो आइए आपको हाई कमिश्नर का पैगाम सुनाते हैं, उसके बाद यहाँ पर फ्लैग होस्टिंग आपको दिखाएंगे और फिर यहाँ पर जो हुकूमती एक मेंबर पार्लियामेंट है लिबरल पार्टी का, उसका पैगाम भी आप सुने। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग माय चैनल। आप शेयर भी करें, इसको लाइक करें और इसको सब्सक्राइब भी करें। सी यू अंटिल नेक्स्ट वीडियो। अल्लाह।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम टू ऑल our Pakistani brothers and sisters residing in Canada. I have the honor to read out messages from the President and the Prime Minister of Pakistan on the occasion of Pakistan Day, 23rd March 2021. First of all, a message from Dr. Arif Alvi, President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and I quote, "On this Pakistan Day, we pay homage to the founding fathers of Pakistan, whose services and sacrifices led to the creation of a separate homeland for the Muslims of the subcontinent. Today, we reaffirm our resolve to make Pakistan an economically stronger and prosperous country. On this historic day, we vow to continue our struggle to make our society humane, inclusive, and tolerant to other minorities residing in Pakistan. We also pledge to uphold democratic values, rule of law, and the Islamic way of life in our country as envisioned by our founding fathers. On this day, we must also remember our Kashmiri brethren who have been subjugated for over 7 decades by the Indian security forces. They have been subjected to the worst form of repression and state-sponsored terrorism. We pledge our commitment to continue to support Kashmiris in their just struggle for their right to self-determination. The world must take notice of blatant human rights violations being committed by India in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The key to durable peace in South Asia is resolution of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions. Today, we also salute our heroes, particularly the health workers and other concerned agencies who played a great role in containing COVID-19 and providing health care to the people in the hour of need. We laud our health professionals for their untiring efforts, who selflessly served the nation during the crisis. I urge my fellow countrymen to follow all SOPs concerning COVID-19 so as to overcome the third wave of the pandemic. I am sure that with unity, faith, and discipline, we can overcome any challenge that comes our way. May Allah be with us all. Pakistan Paindabad. And now a message from Mr. Imran Khan, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, on the occasion of Pakistan Day, 23rd March 2021. 23rd March 1940 was a momentous occasion when the Muslims of the subcontinent decided to establish a separate homeland to free themselves from the shackles of oppression and slavery of the Hindutva mindset. Today we pay tribute to the father of the nation and all the leaders of the independence movement who united Muslims of British India and struggled for creation of a free and independent Muslim state. The struggle culminated in the emergence of Pakistan on the map of the world on 14th August 1947. While commemorating this day, we need to adhere to the principles of unity, faith and discipline given by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Our vision is to transform Pakistan into a truly democratic welfare state on the model of Riyasat-e-Madina. Our great nation has successfully overcome challenges of immense magnitude and passed through unity and resilience. Today, we need to remain strong to face the pandemic that has engulfed the entire world. Inshallah, we will succeed in these testing times. On this day, we also express solidarity with the innocent people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, who have been subjected to worst form of state oppression by Indian security forces. We salute their courage and will continue to support them morally, politically, and diplomatically for realization of the right to self-determination under relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions. Today, let us renew our commitment to make Pakistan a humane, progressive, and prosperous state akin to Riyasat-e-Madina based on rule of law, meritocracy, egalitarianism, and compassion. May Almighty Allah grant us strength to remain steadfast during all testing times. Pakistan Paindabad.
Today marks the 81st anniversary of Pakistan's Republic Day. This day was the driver behind the independence movement for a sovereign Pakistan, and a few years later, Pakistan adopted its first constitution. These foundational steps paved the way for freedoms of faith, culture, language, and education, all critically important achievements for the creation of modern-day Pakistan. Ontario is home to the largest Pakistani community in the country, and on behalf of the Ontario Liberal Party, I'd like to wish you and your families a happy Pakistan Republic Day. While this year's celebrations will feel a little bit different than they have in the past because of the pandemic, today remains a day of reflection as we recognize the incredible contribution that Ontarians of Pakistani heritage have made. Yom-e Pakistan Mubarak.